Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new travel guide on the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, click on guides in the middle, which is the second option. Then click on create a new guide. Type in the name of your destination where you would like to go. After that, select it and click on create guide down below. So here you can see the preview of your new guide. Here you can see general tips, you can see day 1, so you can add the subheading, a place, places to visit, you can create a new list as well. So as you go back to your home page, you will be able to see your trip plans, which is in another category, and your guides as well. Here you can edit it, delete it, you can do the same edits and changes that you can do with your trip plans. So you can edit the guide title, add privacy settings, expense settings, set default transportation mode. You can insert pictures to it and notes and other options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.